everyone, and welcome back. We've got another area and volume question. We've got a right circular cone with a height of 22 centimeters and a base with the diameter of 6 centimeters. So we're given this, we're given n pi is the volume, which can be a little bit confusing, but we're going to show to solve this, and n is just going to be a constant. So I went ahead, drew everything out, and we can recognize that for a cone, the volume is, well, we're given this n pi first. I'm going to write that down, and then we're going to use the actual equation for volume, which is 1/3 pi r squared times height as well. So we're given our height, we're given our radius because, as you guys know, radius is just diameter divided by 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. We go ahead and plug that in. Plug in that 22. We're going to multiply everything, and then our final answer is not going to have pi in it because it is just the constant of n times whatever pi is. So let's solve for that, and the answer is going to be 66. We did 3 squared times 22 divided by 3, and we're left with